Here we go, Tyrannovid versus Vice Tiger. Wow! So hey, what's up everyone? So yeah, it's been a while we are not creating a cool looking bullet like Vice Tiger. So yeah, the spelling is very weird. First of all, the first word Vice or Vice, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What's the actual spelling of this Beyblade?
Vice.
Let's just quickly prepare the ratchet tablet as well. Let's go. Make sure to use Fevicol glue guys, because I have seen many comments that many of you try to use super glue to add shininess on your Beyblade templates, but no bro, just try to use this Fevicol glue, it's much better. Okay भाई चलो, ज़्यादा मैं रब नहीं करूँगा, नहीं तो कलर उठ जाएगा, पेपर कलर से भाई. Okay, here we go. Let's just wait for 5 or 10 minutes and then we will see the result at the end. Now let's just quickly cut out our templates as well. Here we go everyone, finally done cutting all the templates of Vice Tiger. Here we go everyone, here's our new Vice Tiger, look at that. लगता है थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही ग्लू डाल दिया भाई, इसलिए इतना ज़्यादा चमक रहा है भाई. क्या चमक है भाई, लेकिन फिर भी देखने में बहुत ही कमाल लग रहा है. Okay, let's just quickly create our new Vice Tiger.
Vice.
चलो भाई एक एक करके सारे के सारे पीस लगा देते हैं. भाई सही से लग जाओ भाई साहब. इतना ज़्यादा गर्म है भाई आज का भाई ये सोल्डरिंग आयरन. Looks like guys today the electricity is flowing too much. You can clearly see guys the hot glue is burning bro. चलो बना लेते हैं भाई हमारा Beyblade. And here we go. The layer bit is on the way, but still we have to do more like shaping and also adding a little bit of piece of plastic inside so that we can lock the bay with the ratchet and also with the bit. So if you really want to line up all the cardboard pieces with the layer template, make sure to use a soldering iron, but I'm not going to recommend you if you are a beginner, never used a soldering iron properly, because I still remember myself when I tried to use soldering iron for the first time and burned my right finger, I mean my right hand finger. You can clearly see guys all the cardboard pieces are lined up with the layer template and now the bay is looking much more accurate like the real one, but still we have more to do. Let's just also shape the inner part of the Beyblade. It's like we are done doing the shaping. Now as you can see guys, almost looking very good and well shaped. Okay, but still guys I think something is missing. Yeah, the 3D looks, but I have no idea if Vice Tiger has 3D looks or not, but still I'm going to add the 3D looks to make it look much better. So let's just quickly add that as well. And here we go guys, here's the 3D look. Yeah guys, also as far as अरे भाई ये इंग्लिश बोलने में इतना तकलीफ क्यों होता है भाई?
Yeah. Do it!
Just adding a little bit of super glue to turn this cardboard into solid cardboard. And yeah, it really makes the bay much more durable. Looks like guys I'm almost out of super glue man, so yeah I have to make it quick. ये हाथ में चिपक मत जा भाई, नहीं तो टेम्पलेट का कलर उड़ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
And here we go, the ratchet part is also done, but Hey everyone, now it's time to make the Unite bed. So here it is guys, we just need a sign pen like this one or a sketch pen like this which has a cap like this guys. It's almost similar to a bed, I mean a gear bed something. You can clearly see the design guys, it's pretty much similar to a gear bed. So we are going to turn this into a bed. So let's just quickly make the unit bed guys. Okay, let's see what we can find. चलो भाई देखते कुछ अगर मिल जाए इसके ऊपर मैं लगा दूंगा तो ये थोड़ा सा बैलेंस टाइप जैसा हो जाएगा भाई. हाँ ये यूज़ कर सकता हूँ मैं. ये कब आ गया भाई, मैंने तो ये नोटिस ही नहीं किया. ओके, वी विल यूज दिस गाइस फॉर द बैलेंस बेड बिकॉज यू कैन क्लियरली सी द अपर पार्ट. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट प्रीटी मच सर्कुलर. सो वी विल यूज दिस. सो हियर वी गो, लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. So we just need this small piece of red color piece. Nothing else we need guys. Here you can see. चलो भाई अच्छी तरह से लग जाओ. And here you go, balance bit, Unite. I know guys, this Unite bit is not looking that much similar like the real one, but still I really want a balanced performance. So yeah, just tried my best to make this Unite bit. Yeah, pretty much accurate, I hope so. This is actually giving me a vibe of a tiger because tiger has black and orange color on its body, so I am just using this black. Wow, now it's looking much better. Wow, not bad. Okay, anyway, let's just quickly assemble our new Wise Tiger. चलो भाई जल्दी से सेटअप कर लेते हैं. And here you go guys, here we have our new Wise Tiger fully assembled with the Ratchet 3 and also with the Unite bit. Let me know your thoughts in the comments guys, how much better it's looking. I tried my best to make it as much accurate like the real one. But yeah, absolutely from the front the base looking insane. And here's the bottom part. Okay. चलो भाई battle करते हैं. Here's our Wise Tiger. Now let's do a quick spin test with this bay. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! And yeah, as expected guys, pretty much like balance type. Not that much attack, but yeah, sometimes guys my balance type bay almost performs like a stamina type, and yeah, the bay is a little bit unstable, but still it's okay that it's spinning properly. Here we go, Tyranobit versus Wise Tiger. Wow! It was an insane extreme dash from Wise Tiger. Wow, not. Here we go, Wise Tiger. Oh, nice extreme dash, but lost this one because Wizard Rod is a little bit bigger than Wise Tiger. Kakashi Shinobi Shadow versus Wise Tiger. Yep, unstable, very unstable. ये क्या था भाई? Shoot out run buster. एक ही हिट में खत्म भाई. अरे ये देख